Hello everyone, welcome back to Unforgotten Tech. My name's Gregory Krause, and today we're going to be talking about remote starter systems. We're going to be installing a brand new remote starter system on this here Toyota Tacoma. I personally like the idea of using my cell phone as a key to my car and think more manufacturers should have this as a factory option. However, I want to know what your thoughts are. If you could leave a comment below and just let us know what you think about this. Also, if you like our content today, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you never miss any content. So this vehicle came stock from the factory with a push button start. However, this does have the limitation as you do have to be inside the vehicle with the key fob to start the vehicle. So this poses a problem if you live in extreme environments such as hot or cold and you have to get to your vehicle and wait for your vehicle to warm up. With a remote start, you'll be able to start your car and warm it up in the comfort of your own home or workplace. In the aftermarket world, there are many different types of remote start systems that can be purchased and installed on your vehicle. Today, we're going to be using the Accessoride's vehicle-specific system, and this one's specifically designed for 2016 through 2019 Toyota Tacomas. All right, well, let's install this equipment. Required PPE for this is going to be safety glasses, closed-toed shoes, free of loose and hanging jewelry or clothing. Tools and equipment are going to be a surfboard, dikes, Phillips screwdriver, and the last thing we're going to need are the parts, which is this remote start kit we got from the aftermarket manufacturer. The first step we're going to do is to remove the sill plate. After that, we're going to remove the floor cover. Unscrew the plastic nut on the floorboard, remove the kick panel, remove the three 10mm bolts, loosen the dash panel, turn the key on, engine off, and then we'll remove the two screws behind the steering wheel. We're going to locate the 7-pin connector and remove that from the ignition module and install the T-connector. Then we're going to locate the 30-pin connector from the VCM, which is the vehicle control module, and install the T-connector. To program the unit without touching the brake, we're going to press the start button twice. The LED should turn on and solid orange. Then we're going to press the button once more to shut the ignition off, then twice again to turn it back on. The LED should turn on with solid green and then shut off after 3 seconds. Then press the push button one more time to shut the ignition off. You have successfully completed the module programming at this point. Now finally, we're going to test the function. Last, we will secure all wires and the remote start module and place it all back. Then reinstall all of the modules and panels back on the vehicle as we found it. So just to recap, today we installed a remote start system on this Toyota Tacoma. I'm Gregory Krause with Unforgotten Tech. I want to thank each and every one of you for tuning in. And remember, be strong, believe, be unforgotten.